Day 65, filling in for Sarah. She's away on a work day. Continuation of the timber walls inside. Want to finish there. What's coming together now? Going through the front door. Through the nice kitchen. There we can see. That one's finished. That'll be a doorway into the hall. Stairs up to the mezz floor, which hopefully we'll get to on Friday. Bifold door's been framed in. So once these supporting walls are finished, then we can start doing. Hey Simba. Cat's gonna follow it round. Hey Sim. So yeah, good progress today. Continue with the timber framing for the rest of the week. And then hopefully we can get up there, get the flooring, and then next week, fingers crossed, the roof will come off and start building the new roof. Good, that's it. So we'll be back tomorrow.